Good morning, children. How are you all? So, everybody, welcome to biology session. Today's topic is site of photosynthesis. So, what is photosynthesis, children? Preparing its own food. Plants do that. Autotrophic nutrition, self nutrition. So, where is the actual site of the photosynthesis that takes place in the plant? Where is the actual location that we are going to learn in this topic today? Yes. So, where do chlorophyll? So, chloroplast is the cell organelle which contain a pigment known as chlorophyll. So, where it is actually present, we are going to see here. Where do chlorophyll and other pigments present in the plants? See, yes, pigments like chlorophyll, anthocyanin, carotene, these all are present in the leaves. So, actual site of the photosynthesis is leaf. Chlorophyll in leaves, chlorophyll A is the most important photosynthetic pigment for the photosynthesis process. So it resides in the membranes of thylakoid disc of the chloroplast. So you have all the leaf structures, they are nothing but the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast. It is assisted by accessory pigments in the antenna arrays that absorb the light and direct the energy to chlorophyll A pigment complexes. So the exact location of photosynthetic part or photosynthesis containing chlorophyll was not known till another 6 decades after Pelletier and Caventou discovered chlorophyll. It was believed that to be spread in the cells of green parts. Green parts. So what it was believed, children? It was believed to be spread in the cells of green plant parts. So who said that? So there was a scientist known as Julius von Sack observed chlorophyll in plant cells is not spreading throughout the entire cell. It is rather found in the organelles within the cell. Such organelles are named as chloroplast. That means entire plant body is not performing photosynthesis because entire plant body will not have chlorophyll. Only the green color parts will have the chlorophyll. So this was found by Julius von Sack. He observed that chlorophyll in plant cells is not spreading throughout the entire cell. Yes, so what is chloroplast? So where it is present? Chloroplasts are present in large numbers in the cells, around 40 to 100 of parts like the stomatal guard cells and ground tissues of plants, children. So, what are the stomatal guard cells? These are the stomatal guard cells. Stomatal guard cells surround each stoma on a leaf surface. Stomata are important because they regulate the uptake of CO2 from the atmosphere, carbon dioxide from atmosphere for photosynthesis, and also the loss of water vapor from the plant during transpiration. So in this stomatal guard cells all the chloroplast is present, and also in the ground tissue. So the ground tissue of plant include all tissues like parenchyma. See the structures over here: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. In this chloroplast are present. So let's see, we go with the structure of leaf. This is a structure of leaf, children. So you have a cuticle top layer and upper epidermis. Xylem and phloem vascular bundles are present in the center of the leaf. And one more important thing, if you observe it clearly, you will see the palisade parenchyma which are tightly packed. So they are the primary area of photosynthesis takes place there. It has chlorophyll. Whereas here in the down part you can see spongy parenchyma. This facilitates the circulation of air. That means it helps in the exchange of gases. So in this, the chlorophyll is present in leaf, in palisade parenchyma especially, and this is the main part. This is the main site to trap sunlight and perform the photosynthesis. I hope you understood the class, and it's time for assignment, children. Draw a transverse section of a leaf with labelings. What are the inventions of Julius von Sachs? Write the location of chloroplast in plants. So there are two locations I have just now discussed. write the location. I hope you understood the class, children. Thank you.